Now, your WZDX Pinpoint Weather with Chief Meteorologist Jordan Dressman.
Most locations north of the Tennessee River currently sitting under a severe thunderstorm watch. That would include the counties of Lauderdale, Limestone, Madison, Jackson, and DeKalb counties across northeast Alabama, and then Giles and Lincoln counties up across southern middle Tennessee. Severe thunderstorm watch is going to run until 12 o'clock a.m. We are talking about a line of strong to severe thunderstorms currently pushing their way through different portions of the Tennessee Valley, more specifically across northeast Alabama. That's where we do have a severe thunderstorm warning in effect. That severe thunderstorm warning is in effect for Madison and Jackson counties across north Alabama, and then Lincoln County up in southern middle Tennessee. That will run until 10 o'clock this evening. A rather organized, rather robust line of showers and thunderstorms. It looks like the biggest concern obviously going to be very heavy rain, some thunder, a lot of lightning, and then we're also talking about some very gusty winds. Wind gusts in excess of 50, 60, maybe on the extreme end, 70 miles per hour, and then we also are talking about the potential for some rather large hail. None of this activity is going to stick around very long, and it does look like we are going to be dry by Tuesday morning. Through Tuesday afternoon, I do have another opportunity for a few isolated scattered showers and thunderstorms to pop up across North Alabama, southern middle Tennessee, and that's ahead of a cold front. That cold front will come through later in the afternoon through the earliest part of the evening. On the backside of that cold front is some much drier air. We are going to begin to clear things out. Maybe a few scattered clouds through Wednesday morning into Wednesday afternoon, but overall, I expect we'll be talking about an ample amount of sunshine. It'll actually be a beautiful middle of the week. It also looks like we're going to stay dry through Wednesday and Thursday. Our next best opportunity for rain is going to come on Friday before we dry out once again as we head into Saturday, Sunday, and then Monday. It would end up being a beautiful weekend, just like it was last weekend. We saw 83 on Saturday. We saw 85 on Sunday. Average those out. The average high this weekend was right around 84 degrees. We were close to that this afternoon. Most of us finished the day in the lower 80s. Saw 84 exactly at Huntsville International. Saw 81 at Scottsboro. Saw 80 in Fort Payne. 83 was the high this afternoon in Coleman. Our friends up in southern middle Tennessee saw the mid and upper 70s this afternoon. It's still warm this evening. Most of us currently sitting somewhere in the low and mid 70s. We are going to cool off through the overnight. I do expect we are eventually going to bottom out in the mid 60s, right around 64, 65 degrees. From there, it does look like we are going to warm up rather quickly with the opportunity for an isolated to widely scattered shower or even a thunderstorm. We'll finish the day in the lower 80s, right around 81 for your Cinco de Mayo. Really not a bad day. Not everybody is going to get wet. But have a look at the next 7 days. Like I said, it's going to get much cooler across the Tennessee Valley. I've only got 65 on Wednesday, 70 on Thursday. But look at Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. 64 on Friday, 62 on Saturday, 68 on Sunday. Don't forget Sunday is also Mother's Day. So look at your forecast.